Bob Bores with RA Bores, utility contractor. Been in business approximately 50 years. We've used different products throughout the years. Our preferred product now is the JM C909. Been installing that for approximately the last 15 years and haven't had any failures. When I go into a village or a small municipality, if they don't have the C909 in the spec, I'll recommend it to any municipality or any water user. Some of the ductile that's been put in as late as the 1980s is now failing because of corrosive areas in the ground. PVC does not have that effect. We've uncovered PVC pipe that's been put in probably the past 30, maybe even 40 years, and it's still, integrity is still there, it's still round, it's not egg-shaped.
Hello, my name is Jack Gaydar. I'm Engineering Services Manager with Avon Lake Regional Water here in Avon Lake, Ohio. I've been Engineering Services Manager here for 15 years. I'm also adjunct professor at the University of Akron, and I also own a consulting firm, Iron Pin Surveying and Engineering out of Medina. We have switched from ductile iron pipe approximately 8 or 9 years ago, and we use nothing but the C909 PVCO. One of the reasons we switched was the major cost advantage of using the PVCO versus ductile, in which we've seen a noticeable cost delta when we switched. We had done research with the testing and lab reports of the material for cyclic fatigue life and pressure testing. Also, we watched some and contacted other government agencies when it came to endurance testing of the pipe during installation with abuse from operators with equipment, backhoes and excavators while the pipe was pressurized, and we were quite impressed with the ability of the pipe to withstand abuse. Our contractors love it because it's lighter than ductile iron pipe. It's a lot easier to install from talking with the pipe layers, and there seems to be an apparent increase in production rate, number of feet laid per day. My own thoughts were, I think the PVCO pipe is the greatest thing since pie and beer, and we strongly support it, and as a infrastructure rehabilitation component to our yearly capital improvement program.
My name is Nick Rossi. I'm a project manager, estimator for Paris Excavating, located in North Jackson, Ohio. Started with cast iron, moved on to ductile iron pipe, and now we're using predominantly C909 wherever it's accepted. So our feelings are that the C909 offers a far superior product as far as production-wise, ease of installation, getting around the site, very easy to unload, very easy to move around on the site, and very easy to install. As an estimator, I think it's probably increased our production by 20% over cast iron. You know, by allowing us to use C909, like I was telling you, in our bidding operation. You know, if we can increase our production by 20% with ease of operation, that's a big benefit that we can do. If you do 5-6 jobs a year, maybe you can do 7-8 jobs a year, and that in retrospect adds profit to your bottom line, and you can service your customers where you don't have to pass up a job to someone because you can't get it done or get the job done fast enough.
Good morning, I'm Mike Hayward. I'm with High Desert Water District. I'm the purchasing manager with the district. And this morning we went out and filmed a capital replacement crew who was laying 12-inch C909 on State Highway 62 in Yucca Valley. We're replacing pipe that is excess of 40 years old. some old steel pipe that leaks and is giving us multiple problems with water quality and multiple leaks. So we're replacing it with 909, a product we've been using for some years now, probably 7 or 8 years. The 909 pipe that we're currently using is something that we feel real highly about. It's been a great product. We install a lot of 8-inch. In fact, we bought 50,000 feet of 8-inch this year. That project right there that we just looked at, that's about a 3,000 foot, lineal foot project that we're doing. Financial wise, we've looked at it over the years, and we realized the lightweight of 909 contributes, to us considering all our options. And one of the options that you'll always consider is work injury. And 909 is so much lighter. The 8-inch, we just lift that in the ground with 2 guys. We can grab it off the side of a road and lift it in and stab it and bar it in. Where this morning you saw we used the excavator to lower it in the ditch and to push it together. We've been very happy with JM Eagle and the product and their support. So we'll continue. We probably have 10 years left of pipe replacement here within our district, and we'll continue using their product until the end of the pipe replacement job. Highly recommend you take a look at the product, take a look at the videos. It's almost indestructible. Just saw a video not too long ago where they bent some in half and then repressurized it. I've been out on many job sites where we've tried to puncture it or even break it, and almost literally impossible to hurt that pipe. We do have earthquakes in our area, so taking that into effect, it's one of the best products you could put in the ground.